Hello trader, let me share with you guys how we analyze Euro USD at the New York session and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. We already had amazing day this morning as you have seen my dollar yen trade. Now let me share with you the Euro USD. We had it at the New York session. And if you look at the 4-hour chart on Euro USD, we had it yesterday. That was a pretty straightforward. FOMC has given this nice beautiful short trade here this morning, as explained to Marty, you can see it, this low is broken. Price nicely broken this trend support, so we need a confirmation around this level. So we did another analysis at the New York session. We had this beautiful rally hit to the profit target. Even I also mentioned take another pullback short trade here. Now let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries here and help our traders to basically not to miss this opportunity and squeeze amazing profit. And let me share with you the intraday analysis. So if you look at this intraday analysis, which is pretty straightforward, we did and this analysis price develop. You can see a high low is being developed. So this is the high was broken previously. So we're looking this breakout. Price nicely broken. Based on this price action, we were expecting one more push to the downside, and we need a confirmation here. And that confirmation came from this analysis you can see here. So what a beautiful, amazing short trade here. After banking some profit, we did another analysis, and that analysis recording is available on MyQFX platform. So if you look at here, we did another analysis. Beautiful. Look for this pullback short trade here. As you can see here, the price nicely developed another pullback. Same exactly around this level. You can see beautiful. You can see this one. Let me share with you analysis. And if you look at this analysis, you can see here, this is the analysis. This is the live market now. As mentioned, look for pullback. Price nicely developed. Still going down, and that's my traders are really enjoying it. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoy this analysis. If you want to see those analyses in real time, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.